guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got an unboxing and a review of the Dr. Martens Combs Tech boots. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at Dr. Martens' more modern take on the AI, the high boots. And we got the Combs Tech in the black colorway. We got this in the UK size 7, it's European 41, and it's men's size 8, US size 8. And yeah, unboxing. Here they are. Very dope to look at. If you're looking for a more casual boot to wear, I suggest you go for these Combs Tech boots. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is made out of PVC and it incorporates Dr. Martens airwear bouncing soles. So that is their technology to keep the underside of your feet very comfortable and essentially make these bounce. Midsole unit is still the same materials, it's all PVC here. What's different about the cut of these midsole boots is it's not like the traditional 1460, that's the high boots. It doesn't have the same sole. This is a more tech wear like. You can see with the grooves on the sole unit, it's there for more rugged terrain. It's great for walking. I mean, these are built to be like they're military boots. This is the modern take on the traditional 1460 Dr. Martens AI boot, which we have done reviews in the past. So take a look at those reviews. We're going to do a little comparison though, because I'd say that these boots are more easier to wear. I'll get into more of why I think that later, but whilst I've got your attention, the upper is made of a blend of materials. You got bits of leather, but it's predominantly made out of nylon. So you can see in the toe box area, you can see just where the mud guard is, it's a big strip of leather, and just underneath it you can see the nylon. Looking at the mid of this shoe as well, so both on the medial and the narrow side is quite similar. You got a mixture of meshes, textile, nylon, and the leathers. The lacing system is a traditional lacing system, however it uses hexagonal eyelets there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just double checking that it is like the 1460 AI boot. So this has AIs, but you can see that also you've got an adjustable strap there with a buckle too. And you've got more hardware just to put your laces around. You've got a very nicely supported ankle support there, very nicely padded. The tongue is padded as well. Again, it's made out of the nylons that you can see there. A great pull tab, iconic. You see loads of Dr. Martens boots with this pull tabs where it says airwear and with bouncing soles. So it's just there to highlight that these soles can bounce. The inner, so if you look inside, it's all synthetic materials. You've got the Dr. Martens logo as well. Yeah. And guys, I would say that when it comes to a casual boot, as much as I love Dr. Martens personally, I do love the traditional 1460 AI boot. But if you're looking for more of a casual, I need to wear it now boot, I do suggest these Combs Tech, because it's not made of that sturdy leather that it will take ages to break in. And I've worn my fair share of Dr. Martens boots. They are a pain to break in. I've tried it on the Combs Tech in the past. This isn't really my first impressions, because I have tried these on a couple of years ago and I really liked them. Unfortunately, I didn't have one to do a review, but we've got one to do a review for you guys right now. And I love this look. It's a very military boot-esque. You're seeing a lot of that. The Yeezy boots, inspiration from traditional military boots, and a lot of Clarks as well, like Clark's boots. They take inspiration from the military. And it's really dope to see that Dr. Martens have incorporated that style. And this is really a modern take of their 1460 boot. And they've just added a strap and updated the materials. So with all that said, personally guys, if you're looking for that casual boot to wear, I'd just suggest you go for these. They go with pretty much everything: jeans, khakis, cargo pants. These are a winner. With all that said, I can't wait to show you how these look on. I'm wearing a pair of JW Anderson Uniqlo cargo pants, so I've got that military look to a T, well, even though it's by Uniqlo. Roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Dr. Martens fit. I just happen to be a UK size 7 for Dr. Martens. These are an ideal fit. My toes are where they need to be. In regards to the comfort, these are really comfortable, guys. It might be a bit tight around the ankle, but that's because you saw how it was a bit of a struggle for me to wrap that buckle back in. But you can wear it without, and plus you can expose that Dr. Martens logo there on the tongue. Other than that, I think this looks really cool on. Again, it really suits these trousers that I'm wearing. You know, I'm just wearing typical cargo pants. You can get any black cargo pants and I think they look really good on. Wear jeans. This is more easier to wear than your traditional 1468 high Dr. Martens boot because you don't have to break into the leather. It's a really dope look to have. If you're looking for a casual military boot, I recommend that you get these Combs Tech Dr. Martens boots. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.